Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing something a little different. I may be late, but it's better late than never, right? And if you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure I'm like the 50th person you're watching, and I hope I'm your favorite. But today we're doing an iPhone 11 unboxing. So you already know I am coming through with the content, okay, honey? Y'all ready? Are y'all ready? All right, so y'all need to see my address. Y'all need to see my address, but this is what the box looks like or whatever. But that's not the point. So let's go in. This is the first thing I see when I open the box, y'all. Like, look at that. It's so freaking pretty. So I got the iPhone 11 purple color, 124 gigabytes. I mean 28 gigabytes. So I'm taking it out the box. And it also comes with, I think this is like your packaging receipt. Yes, it is. Let me make sure I'm on my right order. That's what I'm talking about. Y'all see that? I'm making so much noise. So freaking pretty. Y'all see that? This is the iPhone 11. I love how the iPhone logo is purple. It's always purple. Even the Apple logo is purple. I don't know if y'all can see that. Y'all, oh, I am so happy. Y'all, I don't know what else. I just don't know how to feel right now. So this is my phone. So I'm going from an iPhone 8 Plus to a iPhone 11. So the reason I got this is because after doing like my reviews, watching like 1,000 unboxing and reviews from the iPhones that came out, which was the iPhone 11, the iPhone 11 Pro, and then the iPhone 11 Pro Max, I found that this was the best thing to get at the best price. So yeah, why not do that? This is gonna be, I had my iPhone 8 Plus for, I would say, more than 4 years. So y'all, it's time for an upgrade, and the only reason I'm upgrading is because my iPhone 8 is acting up. I did break the screen, and then I had to get my LCD replaced / screen. So ever since then, my iPhone 8 went downhill. So I was like, let me just get a new phone, more space, more YouTube videos. So why not? So okay, so time to unbox. One more look at the iPhone 11. Yes, don't mind my nails. Ooh, wrong way. Everything is purple. Even the Apple logo is purple. So freaking cute. So what we're gonna do now is I'm going to unbox this. I'm going to unwrap the iPhone 11. Ooh, nice little plastic that you just peel off. And then it just automatically, so cute. Okay, so plastic is gone. Cute. So here's where the magic happens. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. It is perfect. Oh my god. So everybody, I know not everybody knows, but as some of you may know, purple is my favorite color, and purple is also my brand color. So why not get a purple phone? So when I saw them come out with this, I was like, nah fam, like I gotta get this. Like there's no other way. Even though the Pro camera is a little better, whatever, but like at this price, at this color, with this color, who not gonna get this? So this is what I decided to get, and it's gonna be my phone for a while. So I am super excited. I love it. I didn't even take it out yet, and I'm All right, let's get to it, y'all. So here she is. Ah, look at her. Hold on. What should I name her, y'all? She look like a, I don't know. I don't know what to name her. Y'all, look at the iPhone 11. They decided to take the R out. And I think it's the perfect size compared to my 8. My 8, but this has a bigger screen because it's like the whole entire thing. So and in the case that I'm about to add to it, it's really gonna just set it off. So it has a plastic, and I'm gonna unwrap that. Ooh, so pretty. Y'all can see my reflection. So this is the iPhone 11. Y'all, I'm excited. I'm in love. Should we turn her on? Should we turn her on? What should I name her though? I'm in love. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys what's inside the box before I move on. So of course we have instructions designed by Apple in California. Who cares? We know how to use it. Okay, so we have some earbuds right here. Hold on. We have some earbuds. Can I take her out? Hold on. Okay, there we go. Some earbuds. I wish there were our AirPods. Like, why y'all? All this money we pay, I can't put some AirPods in there. Like, so here's our earpods. Then we have, I call this the back piece. I don't know the I don't know the correct term for this, but this the booty, the back piece. Okay, and then we have our lightning charging cable. So yeah, so that's what's in the box. Okay, it's time for the magic. Okay, I'm gonna turn her on. Dust already just fell all over the screen. I gotta put my screen protector, but I'm gonna do that later. Y'all, I don't even know how to use this phone. Okay, so you turn her on right here, right? Okay. Hold on. I'm so dramatic, but like, this is me in real life. So, yes, guys. So I know that this is going to take a lot of getting used to because it doesn't have a home screen button anymore. So I have to get used to the fact that I have to swipe up. Now it's asking me for my language. We're doing English, country, United States. It says bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. So that's what I'm about to do in a minute. Well, I'm gonna do that in a minute, but I know you guys want to see what the camera quality is like, so I'm definitely gonna insert that. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna set it up and show you guys what that's like. All right, so I updated the iPhone 11. So I have my new phone screen, my passcode. I'm still, like I said, trying to get used to it. The size is a little smaller, like I said, from my iPhone 8. So this is my iPhone 8 and my iPhone 11. With the case, this is the difference. And now what we all been waiting for, the camera. Y'all ready? And it says like it's new features, new in camera, capture outside the frame, see the capture in the area outside the frame of the photo. Okay, new shutter button. Okay. Ooh, hold on. Okay, I love it. So yeah, this shows all your flaws and all. Okay, so I like it. Okay. So I'm gonna show you guys a video comparison in the video. There's a huge camera difference, okay? iPhone stay improving their quality. That is pretty much what it looks like. What the two phones look like next to each other with the cases on. So they're pretty much like almost the same exact size. Like literally. But the screen is definitely bigger on the 11, as you can see here. So let me show y'all the back. I like to keep my business card in the back of my phone. I don't think I'm gonna do it with this phone. As you can see, the Apple logo is lower. This one does not have iPhone at all. This one says iPhone under my card, so they took off the iPhone logo. Alrighty, so that is the end of the unboxing video. Y'all, I'm so in love with this phone. I'm so blessed to have this phone, y'all. Like, you know, count your blessings. This has definitely just brought me 10 levels up because I can release more content with this phone. I have more space to work around this phone, y'all. And I'm just so happy for this phone, y'all. I think I made the right decision and in getting the iPhone 11. I love the color. It's perfect. It's the perfect size. It's the perfect price for it being the new iPhone 11. It is cheaper than the XR. So I mean, it is cheaper than the XR when the XR came out. So I mean, like, a new phone, who this? I hope this unboxing video was very informative and you guys enjoyed opening this new iPhone with me. As for my iPhone 8 Plus, I don't know what I want to do with it yet because the screen is messed up again. Yes, y'all, it is messed up again. Half of the screen works, but I know how to work with it. So I'm like, should I just keep it and use it as like an extra tool for my business, or just for uploading videos, or just doing multiple things at once, or do I sell it, y'all? So to make a profit, or to sell the phone, or to keep the phone for business and personal needs, who knows? So that's pretty much it, y'all. I love this. I have not set up Face ID. I am not with it. Well, as not right now, but maybe in the future, who knows? But that is pretty much it. I think I covered every single thing about this new iPhone 11. The case is very difficult to put on and to take off. So I know that I'm going to have this case on for a very long time, which is a good thing because I also do have a screen protector on here and I do not need to crack this phone no time soon. I have my 8 Plus for 4+ years and I need the same energy plus more with this one because we trying to save, honey. We trying to save all our coins, okay? But I think that's it. I'm gonna end the video. I keep saying that, but I'm gonna end the video. If you have any more questions, leave them down below in the comment box. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned to more upcoming videos. Hey. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna end it here. See you guys next time. Peace.